Hello everyone, so this is Apurva from Unique Handicrafts. Today I would be just showing you my finished necklace for terracotta lantern bead. So here goes the necklace. So this is my necklace, which is made up of only terracotta lantern beads. So you can see there's no pendant in this necklace, and without the pendant also, these only using beads I've been making this particular necklace. So I've been using only two shades in this particular necklace. So one is the terracotta orange, like it's an orange shade, acrylic orange shade, and the other one is the copper golden shade. Here only two shades. Don't mess it up with too many shades. And along with these I've been using the glass beads also. These glass beads are not made up of terracotta, and these beads are normal white color glass beads. So you can, if you want to, in my on my channel I've uploaded a video how to make this particular lantern beads. So you can, if you want, you can just take a look at that particular video, and you can just make this make this bead. And apart from that, I've been used this is the lantern bead, actually. So I've been telling in my video that how you can just connect two lantern beads, two beads, different beads, and you can just make it into a lantern. So this is what the shape it looks like. So this is what the necklace look like. So if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel, and I would be coming with more terracotta elegant designs and different designs. So if you like my video, please subscribe to it. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.